Good morning, students. It's 4th November 2020. As we are uh, discussing about the chapter Maddie Rides the Bus, isn't it? And we are going to discuss about the part 3, and we had already completed part 1 portion and part 2. So before we start the continued portion of the part 3, let us give a certain review of that one. Burley had saved 60 paise for the bus journey with some sacrifices. And she had resisted the desire to buy toys, balloons, and many more. She also killed her desire to go merry-go-round. And she had planned her first journey for long. Now, at this situation, we can say that to ride in the bus as she desired, that she got fulfilled. For that, she made some sacrifices. And she didn't purchase or buy any toys, balloons. Even she did not ride on the merry-go-round. Riding in the bus, बलि का एक ड्रीम था जिसे पूरा करने के लिए उसने अपनी बहुत सारी इच्छाओं को खत्म किया था, चाहे वो कोई टॉय खरीदना था या बलून था, मैरी गो राउंड में घूमना था, लाइक दैट. So at last she fulfilled her desire, and she had stood at the front of her home to plan about what she will speak about it when her mother was asked. वो सोच रही थी कि वो अपनी मदर से क्या बोलेगी कि वो कहाँ गई थी, कहाँ थी. She was thinking about, वो प्लानिंग चल रहा था. As we had seen earlier that Burley made a plan before riding in the bus. बस में जाने से पहले Burley प्लान करे थे कि मुझे कैसे जाना है, क्या नहीं, and she collected all information about it. You know it very well. So now how she will enter into her house, that she made, what type of what she will give the reason behind it, many more question is there. She was made a plan in her mind. दिमाग में प्लान बना थी कि उसे क्या जवाब देना है, क्या रीजन बताना है अपनी मदर. So this much we have completed. Now we proceed to page number 123. Fourth line, page number 123. The bus rolled on now, cutting across a bare landscape, now rushing through a tiny hamlet or past an odd wayside shop. Sometimes the bus seemed on the point of gumbling up another vehicle that was coming towards them, or a pedestrian crossing the road. But lo, somehow it passed on smoothly, leaving all obstacles safely behind. Trees came running towards them, but then stopped as the bus reached them, simply stood there, helpless for a moment by the side on the road before rushing away in the other direction. Now the bus rolled. It was rolled through cutting acres of bare. Now the bus was entered through a bare landscape. Okay, and it was rushing to a tiny hamlet. Tiny hamlet means small village. It was moving through around the small village or past an old wayside shop. Wayside means on the way, along the way. तो बस अब खाली लैंडस्केप एरिया में होते हुए उस गांव के स्मॉल गांव से गुजरते हुए जा रही थी. Sometimes the bus seemed on the point of gobbling up. Gobbling, the word gobbling means here eating, devouring, vomiting, right? Eating. Nigalnams. यहाँ पे उसे निगलन बोलेंगे, swallowing something. So the bus just Gobbling on the point, another vehicle that was it overtake also sometimes. It overtakes the bus, overtakes another vehicle that was coming towards them or any pedestrian, पैदल चलने वाले crossing the road. Sometimes it also sees. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे साइट देखने को मिलते हैं जब हम बस में राइड करते हैं या किसी भी व्हीकल में राइड करते हैं. But lo, somehow it passed on smoothly, leaving all obstacles safely behind. But anyhow, the bus runs very smoothly. Yeah, passed on every obstacles, leaving every obstacles. Trees came running towards them, but then stopped as the bus reached them and simply stood there, helpless for a moment by the side of the road before rushing in the other direction. As we move, as we are riding in the bus, we saw that trees are also running towards us. हमें ऐसा लगता है जब हम जर्नी करते हैं ट्रेन में या बस में तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि पेड़ सारी चीज हमारे साथ साथ चल they are also running, they are also walking along with us. But ऐसा नहीं होता है, वो वही होते हैं. ठीक है ना, आप जैसे स्टॉप होंगे तो वो भी वैसे ही स्टॉप हो जाते हैं. But it looks like that कि they are also running us. Next paragraph. Suddenly, Wally clapped her hands with glee. With glee, a young cow, tail high in the air, was running very fast, right in the middle of the road, right in front of the bus. So, suddenly, Wally clapped her hands with joy, excitement. A young cow, young, tail high in the air, was running very fast, running very fast, right in the middle of the road and right in the front of the bus. Okay, तभी अचानक क्या हुआ? ये बहुत पहले बहुत खुश होती हुई क्लैप करती है. उसने देखा है कि यंग काउ दौड़ती हुई तेज दौड़ती हुई हवा में उसकी पूंछ लहराती है, तेज दौड़ती हुई जा रही है और वो यंग काउ सामने बस की भी आ रही थी. इस तरह से मूवमेंट हो रहा था उसका. The bus slowed to crawl. बस ने ब्रेक मारा धीरे. Suppose young cow कुछ हो जाता है इसलिए बस ड्राइवर ने slowed to crawl. And the driver sounded his horn loudly and again. The bus driver blew the horn loudly. Again and again he blew it. वो बार-बार हॉर्न बजाया जा रहा था ताकि वो young cow से रास्ता दे. But the more he honked, the more frightened the animal became, and the faster it galloped, always right in the front of the bus. The more the driver wanted to horn it, the more the cow come in front of the bus. जितना तेज वो हॉर्न बजा रहा था, काऊ को समझ में नहीं आ रहा यंग काऊ, और वो बार-बार कभी इधर भागी, सामने आ जाता बस. उसे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. Young cow become confused. उसे कहां से आवाज आ रही लाइन. तो अपने आप को सेव करने के लिए कभी वो इस रास्ते जाती, कभी उस रास्ते, कभी बस के सामने ही आ जाती. Now page turn, page number 124. Page number 124. Somehow this was very funny to Wally. She laughed and laughed until there were tears in her eyes. Something this incident, it gives a joyful excitement to Wally and made her fun. And she laughed and laughed so loudly that tears came out from her eyes. Right? इतना तेज हंसने लगी कि आंखों से आंसू भी आने लगे. Understood? I request the students to please open the video. I'm watching it, it's already closed. Video खोल के बैठे आप क्लास में. All of you. Hey lady, haven't you laughed enough? Called the conductor. Better save some for tomorrow. So the conductor said that, hey lady, haven't you laughed enough? ज़्यादा नहीं हंसी जा रही, कल के लिए बचा के रखना. Tomorrow, better save from tomorrow, right? At last, the cow moved off the road, and soon the bus came to a railroad crossing. Last, उस young cow को समझ में आया, उस साइड होते गए और बस वहां से मूव किया. A speck of a train could be seen in the distance, growing bigger and bigger as it drew near. Then it rushed past the crossing gate with a tremendous roar and rattle, shaking the bus. So after that, a speck of train दिखने लगी दूर से from the distance, right? And it grown bigger and bigger. As we came near to the train, it grows bigger and bigger. Then it rushed past and the crossing gate become close and it shake the bus. जब train pass करती cross होती है, the vehicles who were there nearby that, it shaked us. वो shake करने लग जाता है, हिलने लग जाता है. ट्रेन जब पास होती है वहां से क्रॉसिंग की तरफ में क्रॉसिंग बैरियर डाल दिया जाता है ताकि कोई क्रॉस नहीं करे जब ट्रेन पास हो रही है. तो वहां पे जितनी भी गाड़ियां खड़ी होती हैं वो एरिया भी जो होता है वो शेक हिलने लग जाता है ट्रेन के मूवमेंट से. You must have imagined it. Then the bus went on and passed the train station. From there, it travels a busy, well laid out shopping street and turning. Enter a wider thoroughfare. Such big, bright looking shops, what glittering displays of clothes and other merchandise, such a big crowds. Now the bus entered into the town. Town में enter कर. So the girls saw big shops, bright lighting. देखे बड़ी-बड़ी दुकानें देखने को मिल रही है, lighters लगी है. Many clothes shops is there and many more other. Then she saw big crowds. भीड़ देखी उसने. Okay. Now I request Anshuman Joshi to read.
Struck dumb with wonder, Wally gaped at everything. Then the bus stopped and everyone got off except Wally. Hey lady, said the conductor, aren't you ready to get off? This is as far you can, 30 paisa takes you. No, Wally said. I am going back on this same bus. She took another 30 paisa from her pocket and handed the coin to the conductor. Why? Is something the matter? No, nothing the matter. I just felt like having a bus ride. That's all. Don't you want to have a look at the sights? No, that you are here. All by myself. Oh, I did be much too afraid. Greatly amused by the girl's way of speaking, the conductor said, but you weren't afraid to come in the bus. Nothing to be afraid of about that, she answered. Well, then why not go to that stall over there and have something to drink? Nothing to be afraid of about that either. Oh, no, I couldn't do that. Well, then let me bring you a cold drink.
Thank you so much. Now, Wally captain, the bus entered into the town and stopped, and every passenger got off from the bus. Sare passengers utar gaye, but Wally didn't get off. So the conductor asked her, "Aren't you ready to get off? तुम्हें नहीं उतरना? This is as far as 30% takes you. 30 पैसा ही लगेंगे, नीचे उतर जाओ." Wally said, "No, I am going back on this same bus." Wally replied that she will go on that same bus, and she took another 30 paisa from her pocket and gave it to handed to the conductor. उसने 30 पैसे निकाले और वापस कंडक्टर को देने लगी. Why, is something the matter? The conductor asked, "Is something wrong with you? What do you want?" "I just felt like having a bus ride, that's all." Wally replied that I just only want to ride in the bus. That is there. Nothing more to purchase anything, nothing more to buy anything. I'm not at all any interest. Don't you want to have a look at the sights now you are here? Don't you want to see the sights of the town if you are here? All by myself, oh, I'd be much too afraid. I am a little bit afraid of it. As I enter into the town. देखा मुझे थोड़ा सा डर लग रहा है, इसलिए मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ. Greatly amused by girls' way of speaking, the conductor said, "But you weren't afraid to come in the bus." लेकिन तुम्हें बस में अकेले करने समय तो डर नहीं लगा, और यहाँ उतरने भी क्यों डर लगा? अकेले जर्नी कर सकते हैं, वो तो अकेले घूम भी सकते हैं, इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Nothing to be afraid of about that, she answered. Well then, why not go to that stall over there and have something to drink? Conductor told that take some drink, have some refreshment so that you can also refresh yourself. But oh no, Wali said that I didn't want anything else. Well, then let me bring you a cold drink. The conductor said that, don't worry, okay, I will bring some cold drink for you. Now, page number 125. No, I don't have enough money. Just give me my ticket, that's all. I don't have any enough money. So I have only 30 paisa remaining. So that is my ticket fare. It will be my treat, not cost of anything. The conductor replied that, don't worry, it will be from my side. I don't take money from you. तो ने कहा मुझे पैसे नहीं चाहिए, मेरी तरफ से तुम कोल्ड ड्रिंक पियो. No, she said firmly, please go. नहीं. The conductor shrugged and they waited until it was time for the bus to begin the return journey. Again, there weren't many passengers. Sorry. So the conductor again, all the passengers get fresh up and everything there, and again the bus start to return the journey, and there weren't many passengers. Passengers are jitne passengers the utar chuke the. Right? Now we are going to start part number 4. Won't your mother be looking for you? The conductor asked when he gave the girl a ticket. When the conductor gave the ticket to girl, Wali, he asked about that. Don't your mother be worried about you? तुम्हारी मम्मी चिंता नहीं कर रही तुम अकेले जर्नी करने में आई हो? No. One will be looking for me, she said. They will look for me, no doubt, but it doesn't matter. The bus now started, and again there were the same wonderful sight. Again, obviously the same wonderful sight is there. Wali wasn't bored in the slightest and greeted everything with the same excitement she had felt the first time. Wali didn't become any boring. The same sight she was watching earlier, the first journey, and the returning journey, same thing is there, but she was excited to watch all this. But suddenly, she saw a young cow lying dead by the roadside. She saw the young cow. उसने young cow को देखा, मरी हुई रोड की साइड में पड़ी थी. Just where he had been struck by some fast-moving vehicle. Just when she remembered the fast-moving vehicle were coming from this side, and the young cow was lying there in the nearby roadside. So an intuition came in her mind that maybe the young cow may be the same one that she had met earlier. हो सकता है ये वही young cow जिससे पहले उन्होंने मिले थे, देखा था उसको, कि किस तरह से उनके बस के सामने में हो सकता है ये वही young cow. Students, tomorrow we will continue the remaining portion of it. So today, whatever we have discussed, I think it must clear to you. Am I